Welcome. My name is Michael Cassell. I'm the Senior Product Specialist at Holz-Her US. Today, I'd like to talk to you about labeling options available in nested base manufacturing. With the continued growth and acceptance of the nested base method, companies are looking to increase the productivity of their manufacturing process and increase their production output. They have identified areas of non-productive or dead time. Loading and unloading was a big issue, but that has now been corrected with different variety degrees of automation with loading and unloading systems. Improved cutting tools and techniques, such as diamond tooling and common line machining, have decreased cycle times. When we look at what other areas of the manufacturing process are slowing us down, now we come to labeling. Why label? You label for part identification, job identification. You may use the label to scan for the next operation, edge banding, drill and dowel. You use it for inventory control. There's production tracking software that we use the labels for. You can use it to create a BOM or a packing list, and to control our WIP. Labels can be in standard code 39, EAN 128, 2D data matrix, or QR, and are normally provided with an editing software to allow you to customize the layout. Let's talk about the different types of labeling available. Easy label. This is a basic system. At the conclusion of the machining cycle, the operator would be fed printed labels from the printer, and using the printed nest layout, apply the labels manually, or a job packet could be created in the office consisting of the layout of the nested parts and the pre-printed labels. Easy label can be done directly on the machine table or at a feed station. Touch label. While similar to Easy Label, the touch label system also uses a touchscreen monitor. The nested part layout is displayed on the screen. The operator simply touches the part on the screen and the label is printed out. The part is then crossed out on the screen, preventing a duplicate label from being printed. Label by laser. This process allows the sheet to be labeled prior to being machined while the sheet is clean and dust-free. The labeling can be done directly on the machine table or at a labeling station, or directly onto a scissor lift unit. The overhead laser examines the tool path and the drilling location and determines the best place for the label to be located without sustaining any damage. It also projects the orientation of the label as well. The movement of the laser position is accomplished with the handheld remote control unit. Direct label. Direct label provides for an automated labeling of the sheet prior to the machining operation while the panel is clean and dust-free. The applicator is mounted on the machine gantry arm and the printer unit in the gantry support arm. The applicator has a 90-degree rotation, and again, the labeling software is analyzing the tool path and the drill routine from the HOPS software. Power label. Power label provides fully automatic labeling prior to the sheet being loaded onto the machine table. The other labeling systems presented either interrupt cycle time or require manual intervention by the operator. Power label eliminates both of these issues. Power label is a gantry-style unit. It mounts either over the roller in feed table on the Dynastic Auto version in conjunction with the Holz-Her Store Master system, or over the scissor lift on the lift version. The sheet is accurately labeled prior to being loaded on the machine table. Fully automated, no operation to the machine cycle. Once the labeled sheet is loaded onto the machine table and the cutting cycle begins, the next sheet is automatically labeled while the machine is cutting the just loaded sheet. As you can see, there's a full range of labeling options depending on your application, your production needs, and budget. I hope this information has been of value. let Holz-Her show you how to increase your efficiency and your productivity.